If you like my video, please click on the like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube.
Critical angle for a pair of media in contact in the angle of incidence in the denser medium corresponding to which angle of fraction in the rarer medium is 180 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. Condition for total internal reflection is angle I in denser medium should be greater than the critical angle. Light should travel from denser medium to rarer medium. 1 mu 2 is equals to 1 by sin c. All the above are true. A well-cut diamond appears bright due to it emits bright light, scattering of light, total internal reflection, it emits luminous particles. What is the magnification when the object is placed at 2f from the pole of the concave mirror? 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 1, 3 by 2. If the angle of incident is f and that of refraction is r, then the speed of light in the medium to which the light is refracted from the air is mu is equal to c sin r by sin I, mu is equal to c sin I by sin r, mu is equal to c sin I by cos r, mu is equal to c cos r by cos I. The focal of convex lens is 50 cm. What is its power? Plus 2d minus 2d minus 50d plus 50d. A cut diamond sparkles because of its hardness, its high refractive index and small value of critical angles. Its high refractive index and high value of critical angle, its very low refractive index. If there are no atmosphere, the duration of day would increase, decrease, remain the same, increased during winter but decreased during summer. The sun becomes visible before the actual sunrise and remains visible even after the actual sunset. It is because of scattering of light, diffraction of light, fraction of light, dispersion of light. A film projector magnifies a 100 square centimeter film strip on a screen. If the linear magnification is 4, the area of the magnified film on the screen is 1600 centimeter square, 400 centimeter square, 800 centimeter square, 200 centimeter square.